Over the years here in the test kitchen, we've made more than our fair share of cobblers. In the summer, we've made them with fresh peaches and berries, while in the fall, apples were our fruit of choice. But now that it's winter, what do you say we change things up a bit by making a rich chocolatey cobbler that's always in season? We start by melting some butter in a shallow casserole dish or a deep dish pie plate. While that's doing its thing, we combine some sugar, all-purpose flour, a bit of salt, a little baking powder, and a couple of tablespoons of cocoa powder. After that's mixed, we add some milk and vanilla. And after a quick stir, we spoon it over our melted butter. And to give this its irresistible cobbler topping, we sprinkle it with a simple toffee pecan crumb. Now for the magical part, we pour some boiling water over it and into the oven it goes. In a little over a half an hour, the top transforms into a decadent chocolate pecan crust, while underneath, we end up with a layer of molten fudge. You can bet the whole house is going to smell like Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. Maybe team it up with some vanilla ice cream for a combo that'll satisfy any sweet tooth. The recipe for our chocolate pecan cobbler is on our website now. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a decadently chocolate way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.